Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
The hedge fund manager, Jim Jamis, argues that we're living through a fraud. He believes that the fraud cycle follows the business and financial cycle, and that at market peaks, there's the most going on in the market, which is
For some reason, they're just all really amused by this whole thing. This is kind of like the cell phone tower thing I did a few months ago, where nobody seemed to believe me that I was going to put a cell phone tower in the backyard. So, I don't know.
What the f are you doing? You yield to people in the intersection, you dumbass.
Whatever, I'll go this way, you think?
what's that you claiming? Whoa, dude, you supposed to yield!
Вот таких придурков полно завелось, без номеров. Без номеров прет. Опа! Record video.
That plane because she didn't know any better. They gave her a waiver and it just didn't do it right. Damn it, all motherfucker.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
They're old. Oh my god.
You cunt. What the f? You idiot.
I'm just not afraid to honk at people. I'm very vocal on the inside of my
Right here's
car.
about to be a problem.
Oh my god, they hit them!
Yes, they did.
Oh my god.
Oh shit! Really? She just bumped me. I mean, whoops.
Oh my god, again? my god! It literally like...
No.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.